If you've ever wanted to make a Canva certificate look more professional by adding your own logo, you're in the perfect place. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to add your branding to any Canva certificate template so your final design looks polished, custom, and ready to share. Start by heading to Canva's homepage. In the search bar at the top, type certificate and press enter. Canva will pull up a wide range of templates, everything from formal and elegant to playful and colorful. Take a moment to browse and select a design that fits your style or purpose. Once you find the right one, click the template to open it. You'll see a button that says Customize this template. Click that to jump into the Canva Design Editor. This is where all the editing happens, and we'll focus on adding your logo. On the left-hand menu, click on Elements. From there, scroll or search for frames. Frames act like smart placeholders for images and logos. When you find a frame style that suits your certificate, drag it onto your design. It might look large at first, but that's normal. Just click and drag the corners to resize it. Place it in a corner or area of the layout where it complements the overall design. Now, let's bring in your logo. In the same left-hand menu, click on Uploads. Here you can upload your logo file from your computer or select it if you've already uploaded it before. Once it shows up in your uploads list, just drag the logo directly into the frame you placed on the certificate. The frame will automatically crop and contain it so it fits neatly in place. Take a moment to fine-tune the size or position of the frame to make sure your logo looks balanced with the layout. And that's it. Your certificate now features your branding professionally and cleanly. This simple step instantly upgrades the look and adds credibility to anything you hand out, whether it's for a course, workshop, or event. If this guide helped you, stick around for more quick Canva tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.